Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Feeling stuck in a monotonous routine that drains your energy and creativity? You're not alone. Many are seeking a more fulfilling way to work and live. If you're ready to ditch the 9 to 5, you've come to the right place. Let's face it, the traditional work model isn't for everyone. Long commutes, rigid schedules, and the feeling of being trapped can lead to burnout and dissatisfaction. Imagine a life where your time is truly your own, where you can chase your passions and live life on your terms. So, what are your options? Let's explore some alternatives to the traditional 9 to 5. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills on a project basis. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, there's a vast market for your talents. Many companies offer remote work opportunities. This means you can work from anywhere, cutting out that dreaded commute. Have a business idea? Starting your own venture can be daunting, but incredibly rewarding. With the right planning, you can build something you're passionate about. If you want to keep your day job for now, consider starting a side hustle. This can provide extra income and help you transition to full-time self-employment. Ready to leap? Here's how to transition smoothly. Assess your skills and interests. Identify what you're good at and what you enjoy. This will guide your next steps. Make sure you have enough savings to support yourself during the transition. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Connect with others in your desired field. Networking can open doors and provide valuable insights. Begin with part-time projects or freelance gigs. This way, you can test the waters without fully diving in. Once you've made the change, embrace your new lifestyle. Enjoy the flexibility. Pursue your passions and prioritize your well-being. Remember, this journey won't be without its challenges, but the rewards can be incredible. Are you ready to ditch the 9 to 5 grind? Start planning your path today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living life to the fullest. Your dream life is waiting for you.